Hi, this is Brian Schumann coming to you from Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV. Today with a new coach to present to you. This is a 2026 Newmar Ventana 4369. Again, the 4369 is probably Newmar's most popular floor plan for lots of reasons, and I'll show you that today in this video. The 4369 is also a good floor plan in the Dutch Star model, but for saving money and getting almost as many amenities and fit and finish and quality of coach, the Ventana is a great alternative to consider. This is on the Freightliner chassis. It's an 8.9 liter engine, 400 horsepower. The Freightliner has a Mobileye system on it, so you have collision avoidance, you have your lane assist, and you have your adaptive cruise, all again at your fingertips on the smart wheel with your shift on the toggle switch on the right, where again you can shift manually to your engine brakes, and again twist it into either drive or reverse with your parking brake down below on your yellow pull-out handle. One touch equalizer, hydraulic leveling, on-screen navigation, Apple CarPlay navigation, everything you need on the front for your driving pleasure. Wireless phone chargers here for the driver's seat, as well as the passenger seat has also the wireless charger for your cell phone. Controls are up above for your awning as well as your slides, and the awnings also have a remote that you can use for those in addition to that. You also have an app you can use to adjust your leveling on your phone also for your leveling system. So this Ventana has this Sagaro decor inside with your Sedona glazed maple suede finish, kind of a matte finish cabinetry on this. There's a nice subtle brown color that looks very nice with the leatherette, and your floor, which is a heated floor, by the way, which again, not too long ago you couldn't get that in a Ventana, and now you can. So the heated floor makes this again a very nice alternative to a more expensive coach like a Dutch Star or a Mountain Air or a London Air. This particular coach, as you can see, we've got plenty of room for sleeping, passengers, kiddos, you name it. So starting on the driver's side, we've got ourselves a full-size bed that'll pull out. So you got sleeping capacity there for two. And I like what Newmar did this year with their jackknife sofas. There's a simple pull and release, and that'll pull right on down to a jackknife sofa, which again, very comfortable. You can put a little mattress on here, and you could actually fit probably two people on this. Your televator is already up. You have your Bose sound system and your box up above for your noise and your music and your sound. Notice all the windows in this Ventana, both from the driver's side, passenger side, and behind the driver's seat, and over the kitchen and the pantry and the dinette area. Lots of cross ventilation you're going to be able to get in this Ventana. So lots of room for kids sleeping, and in your kitchen area and your pantry, you've got a drop-down table that enables sleeping for, again, more individuals or little ones, and that also enables you to have more storage under both benches, which is kind of nice to have either for linens or maybe even some pots and pans. Again, makes it very usable for your pantry area or for storage or maybe games, like the holiday time of the year when you bought games and kids are playing things. Great place for storage. Coming across here, you have a pull-out pantry. I've already pulled it out. Soft closed doors on your pantry, but notice how deep they are. They're the whole length of the pantry. Solid surface counters and lots of cabinetry up above with adjustable shelves that are carpeted again, so your materials and your plates and pans and whatnot won't be sliding around while you're traveling. I really like this new Whirlpool microwave convection air fryer, and I want you to see this. It even says air fryer on this, but this is a really neat look on this new 2026 microwave. Very large, very clean looking, and nice unit they found out. I like what they did here. As you remember, the cooktops, this is an all-electric coach. Cooktop, again, can be pulled out for your camping needs. Just take it outside, unplug it from the outlet, and put it outside on a table and plug it into one of the storage bay outlets that are outside. So you don't have to worry about having smelly fish or bacon smell inside your coach. Notice how both of the cover tops are cutting boards with a little bit of a lip on them here. So again, your juice and liquids won't drain on to your tabletop. But both of them are that way. You have a full dishwasher available and a nice farm sink, which they've kind of gone back to, which I think really is nice. You can actually have something big enough to wash a pot or a pan in. Again, more kitchen windows that have access to the outside and more storage that's adjustable, and trays that are adjustable also for your pantry storage needs throughout the coach. Newmar has comfort air, which means again the air conditioners are right down the middle of the coach. This 4369 has 3 of them. They're 15M Penguin heat pump air conditioners. And notice how in Newmars you get this residential look on the ceiling. There's no pocks or holes or vents or anything like this that appear in all your coaches, and you won't get that in a Newmar. All that is hidden behind your vents here, which can be pulled down, adjusted to the direction you want, and the filters you can clean, and the return air systems are up here also. So when the slides are in, like I said before, you're now not air conditioning the roof of your slide outs. Your air conditioner is not impeded at all, so your Newmars can run at a lower efficiency with a higher productivity of airflow in the comfort air system. The Victron system that we have here is again very, very easy to operate. Here's your floor heat if you're looking at the floor heat. 3 different zones, but on your house page, again, water pumps, all your batteries. You can do your lights from here, or you can go to master lights and hit them from there also. You do your HVAC, your 3 different zones of heating and air conditioning. And again, you can pair it with your phone with an app so you can control the coach remotely. But very simple to operate and very efficient. The 4369 is again a bath and a half model with this unique pin door, which again enables the door to be opened up, and you can still get into your refrigerator and still get into the bathroom. But you got a very, very nice size mid-bath for the kiddos or guests that come in with a vessel sink, and your breakers and fuses are up in the cabinet in there for your maintenance needs if you need them. Nice size pull-out pantry area with adjustable shelves. Again, the holes are such that you can adjust these at whatever height you want, but they lock in and stay there so they're not moving going down the road. You have a very, very large French door refrigerator, which, if I can figure out the lock, makes it very simple to open. Again, we just got this coach, so again, the blue tape is free of charge, but again, here to make sure everything doesn't move. I always recommend to people too that when you have flat trays like this in your kitchen, it'd be smart to find there's a little bit of an apparatus you can buy that's kind of like a tray that has a little lip on it. So if anything spills, it'll stay on that tray and not spill down to the other trays or down to the floor. I think you can get them at Walmart or even at Amazon. But just kind of a hint to make sure that this refrigerator stays pristine and things don't move unexpectedly that you don't want moved. Again, your ice maker's down below, and you have a nice deep-sized freezer to accommodate your cooking needs. In the 4369, as we come back to the master bedroom, we've got 2 very nice size wardrobe areas, and we've got 5 drawers down below, so plenty of room for your clothing needs. And there's some power needs in there also. You got a king-size bed with charging areas on both sides of your nightstands, reading lights up above. Really like the headboard, what they did with that. It's a very nice, classy look. You have controls up underneath so you can put your reading lights on and turn your lights off if you want to. And then, of course, you do have storage underneath the king bed with a big mattress here that'll go on your table to make that sleeping area for the kiddos if that's what you want to do. But again, the gas shocks in these are very, very easy to operate. It's not hard to lift. Very comfortable. Notice this new material that they're using instead of carpet on the Ventana. It's really a nice weave. It's very tight, very easy to clean, lays flat. It's not going to buckle up or anything like that. And that's one of the things that they've changed in the Ventana for this year, and I really like what they did with that. As you come back to the master bathroom, 4369 boasts a huge shower, nice big rectangular shower with the water miser system. And what's that mean? When that blue light comes on, that means the water will be your temperature you want. Then you can flip that next switch over and therefore enable you to come into the shower and not be scalded or frozen. In the meanwhile, you're recycling your water. You do have a nice translucent overhead light up there, which is nice. I mean, a window to see. 2 different heads on the shower, so lots of ability to get yourself nice and clean for your camping trips. Here you have a nice, generous size wardrobe area with adjustable shelves on both sides to meet your clothing needs, and a rack that can go all the way across. If you take out that shelf, or you can take out a couple of them, you could have hanging material all the way across. Plenty of room for shoes up above, and again, well lit in all respects. 2 vessel sinks with ample vanity storage for all your gussying up needs, and nice little towel racks. And you've got your splendid washer dryer combination stacked in your bathroom also. Now, the unique item of Newmar is your egress door, which again, I'd like to tell people, yes, it's an emergency exit, but you can pop this out and this panel will come off, and there's a telescopic ladder that'll come down, so you don't have to jump out a window. You can actually walk down the ladder. But the nice thing is you can use this to load and unload your coach. On a 4369, instead of coming all the way up to the front, again, you can come back here. You can have your spouse or mate in here, throwing things up to you to pack in here, and likewise at the end of a trip, put a hamper out there and throw everything out there and clean the coach out that way. Plus, notice I have access to the back of my stool, so if I have ever any plumbing needs that I can do, I don't have to take a panel off. I can use the back side of it and get right to it there, and it's just simple 2 locks and you're set to go on your trip. The 4369, again, as you can see, with 2 sinks back here to share, his and hers, plenty of storage space, stacked washer and dryer, large shower, lots of wardrobe area, makes this a very, very comfortable coach, and again, another reason why it's the #1 selling floor plan. King size bed and plenty of seating area in the living room for all your guests, relatives, families. Nice colors in this coach that are going to clean well, not get dirty, not be very hot at all. Lots of windows for lots of ventilation, plenty of power. Again, you're on the Freightliner chassis, 8.9 liter engine, 400 horsepower. You name it. The Ventana is another way to go without spending more money for a luxury coach here on the Newmar line. If this coach meets your needs, please give me a call, or if this coach meets some of your needs and you're not sure, always consider ordering a new coach if you want to. Just contact me, Brian Schumann at Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV here in Belton, Missouri. My contact information is on there, and I'll also have it on the bottom of the tag throughout the video. But again, if this coach doesn't meet your needs, but you like this floor plan and the size, maybe want to change some colors, give me a call. We'd be happy to order one for you. This coach also has special exterior paints. When the pictures are posted, this coach is going to have a unique paint job that is unlike any other Ventana that's out there. So give me a call at Transwest if I can help you with this coach or any of your other camping needs. And I look forward to seeing you next time on the next video we run. And as always, Happy New Year, prosperous New Year, and safe travels. Thanks for watching.